support from another, and now she knows she's not alone.
Every 3 minutes, cancer picks
What do you have, Luna? What do you have, Luna? What you got? What you got? What does she got? What? Get the ball. Get the ball. Who's got the ball? Who's got the ball? Who's got the ball? Go get it. You guys are silly. You are? Yeah. Go get it. Get that ball. Get it. You get it. Get that ball. Uh-oh. Lily had to go pee. She barked too much. She had to run out. Oh, look. What you got, Luna Balloona? What you got, Luna Balloona? What you got? Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
It could be bad for the economy.
In Calgary, the price of gas jumped 8 cents overnight. I think that's robbery.
I think Luna's tired.
Trend coast to coast. Gas prices are going
I think she's tired, Luna. Tessa.
The explanation as to why is